So today I thought I'd come to Aldi. I don't usually do my shopping here for my cake ingredients, but on this occasion I've got a few things that I'm going to get from here. Actually, we'll go down here actually. So I'm going to get the unsalted butter from here. This is quite a good one. This is quite good, unsalted, and look at the price, it's very reasonable. So I'm going to get one unsalted and two salted and one unsalted. This is what I use for my buttercream icing. Okay, so I'm going to take you around here now and take you to the dry ingredients aisle, and that's where I'm going to get my cocoa powder and my flour. That I buy. I mean, look at the price. It is so reasonable and it's brilliant for cakes. It makes my cakes come up so chocolatey. I really recommend this. I'm going to buy two because you can never have enough. And also, I don't usually get my self-raising flour from here, but I'm going to get my plain flour, which I use for my chocolate cakes. The pantry plain flour. That's 45p. I mean, you can't go wrong. While I'm here, I may as well get a couple of caster sugars. They're 99p. And I may also get if I can find it. Oh, it doesn't look like they have it. I was looking for the soft brown sugar, but they don't have it, so we'll forget about that for today. For this cake, it's going to have a chocolate drizzle. So I'm going to make some chocolate ganache. I'm going to choose a milk chocolate from here. And I think I'm going to get one of each of these. They're cheaper. We'll give it a go, see how that works out. So I've got 400 grams of chocolate here, and we'll put this one back. And also for the ganache, for the chocolate ganache, I need some double cream. Let's head on over to the fridge so I can see if they've got any cream in there. Well, that's something. I did not know that they'd have Elmley in here, because this is what brand I usually buy. So we're going to get this. So I've got the cocoa, the caster sugar, and I've got the flour. Okay, that's it. That's it for my Aldi shop. Hi guys, I've just completed my shop and I've just spent £12.32 on all those groceries that I showed you putting into my basket. So yeah, I'd advise you, if you want to save some money, or you know, you're just pushed for time and you need to quickly run out and buy your shopping for a cake, go to Aldi, because it's worth it. You'll save a ton of money in the long run.